When dealing with an unresponsive infant, follow these steps to safely and effectively use an AED. Let's begin. Step 1. Turn on the AED. Follow the prompts provided by the machine to guide you through each step. Step 2. Remove any clothing that covers the infant's chest. It's important to have direct contact with the skin. Step 3. Choose the appropriate AED pads. For infants and young children up to 8 years of age or weighing less than 55 pounds, use pediatric pads or the AED's pediatric setting if available. If the child is over 8 years old or weighs more than 55 pounds, use adult pads. Step 4. Attach the pads correctly. Use the front and back placement for infants. Place one pad in the center of the chest and the other pad on the back between the shoulder blades. Step 5. Once the pads are attached, make sure everyone stands clear.
Do not touch the patient.
The AED will analyze the heart rhythm to determine if a shock is needed. Step 6.
Do not touch the
If a
patient.
shock is advised, make sure no
Everyone
one is touching
clear.
the infant and press the shock button to deliver
Press
the
the
shock.
flashing shock button.
Step 7. Immediately after delivering the shock, begin CPR
Shock
starting
delivered.
with chest compressions. Continue
Begin
following the
CPR.
AED's prompts and give CPR until emergency medical help arrives or the infant begins to show signs of life. Using an AED quickly and correctly can save a life. Remember these steps to stay prepared in an emergency. Always follow the AED's guidance and seek medical help as soon as possible. Stay calm, follow the steps, and remember, your actions make a difference.